Ditching court and last seen in Miami. Former Canterbury teacher Thomas Dean is on the run. He was supposed to be in court today but never showed up, apparently cutting off his ankle monitor.
Dean faces charges for possession of child pornography. Wink News anchor Annette Montgomery live from Canterbury this afternoon. Annette, this guy's accused of crimes against a child. What's the urgency here to find him?
Chris, and low is pretty high. Thomas Dean is charged with crimes against children. At this hour, police statewide are on the lookout. Now, while it is unusual for someone to go on the run while wearing a GPS ankle monitor, it's rare they get away. The judge did not get a heads up until she took her seat on the bench Monday morning.
Mr. Dean is not here, and I was notified by pretrial services that he has cut off his ankle monitor and was last seen in Miami.
Oh, wow. Okay, well, that'll be very quick. Let's call that right now.
Mr. Dean is Thomas Dean, a former teacher and coach at Canterbury School. He skipped out on 28 counts of child porn possession. Going on the run will only add to his troubles.
Okay, well, he's not here, so he's going to be bench warranted, and his pretrial supervision and bond are revoked for his failure to appear.
Wink News safety and security specialist Kristen Zeman told me the race is on to find Dean, a race she is confident he will not win.
There's absolutely a sense of urgency, and this is precisely why law enforcement will be actively looking for them.
Cutting off an ankle monitor is not easy. While his company is not the one that provided the monitor Dean tampered with, the president of a GPS monitoring company wondered whether Dean used surgical scissors to cut the straps. Ordinary scissors won't do it.
99% of the people that have a GPS tether are in compliance and are using that as an alternative to being incarcerated, so they don't want to mess with it.
It's very rare for an individual, to be on the run for longer, I would say, than a day or a few days.
And Dean did appear in court last Thursday when all sides agreed to push the child pornography case to today. Now, sometime between Thursday afternoon and this morning, Dean apparently cut off his ankle monitor and took off. Now, while the judge did find out today, no one will say when law enforcement found out or why they didn't alert anyone. Now, if you see Dean or know where he may be, call 911. Live in Lee County, Annette Montgomery, Wink News.
Annette,